Bây giờ thầy sẽ giúp Diệp đọc một số câu bằng tiếng Anh trong cái bài dẫn chương trình đấy nhé. Okay, so let's begin. Warmly welcome everyone to grade 2. Experience corner time to plant peace. Warmly welcome everyone to the grade 2. Experience corner time to plant peace. On behalf of the students, we send our best wishes to everyone. We wish our festival great success. On behalf of the students, we send our best wishes to everyone. We wish our festival great success. Today, we join two activities, making a desk, calendar, and the game Lăn bóng zigzag. This game is fun and meaningful. Students can show creativity and love for Vietnamese culture. This game is fun and meaningful. Students can show creativity, and love for Vietnamese culture. A desk calendar helps us manage time, remember important days, and decorate our desk. Dear guests, teachers, parents, and all of the students, today I would like to talk about our desk calendar. We made it by ourselves. This is a STEM activity. It helps us work together and be creative. We want to make a useful and beautiful calendar. It shows our own idea. Each month has a happy message. This calendar is a nice gift for our teachers and parents. We work in small groups. Each group makes a few months. The steps are: first, we think of the pictures and colors. Then we draw pictures and choose nice wishes. After that, we put all the pages together. Each calendar page has a theme. January, a new start with hope. March, love for grandma, mom, and teachers. June, a fun summertime. September, happy back to school time. November, love and thanks for teachers. December, the brave duty of the army. This desk calendar is made by our class together. It shows our teamwork and creativity. It is not only for dates, but also for inspiration. It is a special gift to say thank you to our teachers and parents. We hope everyone can feel our joy, creativity, and love each page of the Canada.